There and welcome to my channel. Today is my first attempt to make an English spoken video, and I would like to dedicate this video to my friends in Italy, to Francino. Stay safe, stay inside. Yes, I know those are difficult times for all of us. So, what can we do? We only can stay inside and wait until things are going to be better. So, I was thinking to make a small presentation about my motorbike. I'm riding a Yamaha XT 660X mod 2006. And I will try to show you and to explain you what small modifications I have done to my bike. Okay, so for the next moments, I hope I will be able to explain to you what I have done, and I will be very glad if I read your comments and questions below on the video. So stay tuned, don't go away. So here we are. As you can notice, the first big difference that my bike has is the color. Okay, those are not the original red colors that the bike has. And why? Because of course I'm living in Greece, I'm living in the island of Crete, and here we have a lot of sunshine, so it was necessary for me to paint the bike again, to have this glossy style for my colors. Together with a guy that helped me in painting, we chose to have this style, two colors. Well, I was in the beginning a little bit concerned about how it would look, but it's okay, I think. Okay, so of course I'm trying to be very careful with the bike, and because sun and high temperatures are always causing problems, especially on the red colors. So let's start from the rims. Okay, I have of course the original XL rims on the bike, but as you probably will notice, I have changed the spokes. By default, Yamaha has a big problem on the spokes, so because they are getting rusty, and I chose to change them and to have inox spokes. Okay, for that I had to send the rims to Athens, and until now I'm very pleased with the spokes and how they perform. Of course, I use Brembo centered brake pads. Okay, here. I chose them because I wanted to have a better performance for my brakes. And as you maybe noticed already, I have changed all these brake lines. Okay, they are not the original ones. They are from hell. And also I got them from Athens. Okay, they are stainless steel, and they're made from stainless steel, and they're giving you a better feeling when you are on the brakes. So, what do we have here? A windshield. This is not the original Yamaha windshield, and of course a KRIKRI logo. I hope you can see it here, yes. This windshield, I bought this bike because I bought it used. The bike came with this windshield, and it's performed perfect, especially with a guy that is about in my height. I'm 1.80 meters high. So this is not too much. It's not. It gives you a good protection against the wind. So what do we have here? Okay, a Hiltec gear indicator that is very, very, very helpful. Okay, it was easily installed, and it helps me a lot during driving, because each time I know which gear I have in my gearbox, and so of course I can ride more correctly and have more fun when riding. Of course, I have this small AFAM bar here, my rack mount. I can attach here different kind of things. I'm planning to buy maybe some other small racks for a GPS. I will see about that. That's it from the... of course, yes, I painted the light here. And I changed, of course, the bulb. It's a LED bulb inside the Yamaha. So, I'm using AFAM chains and sprockets. I'm very pleased with them. And as you can see already, I have changed the exhausts. I'm using Y2020 XT exhausts. I bought them from Germany since they are very, very expensive here in Greece, but I found a good deal in Germany, so I bought them from there before the coronavirus stops everything. What else? Inside here I have a KN air filter. No, I'm not using DNA. I know they are Greek. I know they are performing excellent. But I preferred KN because I used to have a KN in my older bike, in a Yamaha XT 600 Enduro, and I was very pleased with the performance. So, okay, I stayed with KN. Maybe in the future I will add some DNA filters stage 2 also. And also I added to my bike this rack because I want to transfer some small things sometimes. Yes, I know most people don't like those racks, and most people make changes here in this part of the bike, and they are taking all this part out, and they are adding Yamaha R1 lights. I don't like that style. I like this style. Okay. So I have this rack, and I also have some other racks that go here and protect my side backs when I have them, because I make also some small trips here around Crete. So what else do I have? I think that's all. Yes, of course. All these small protective things that I have added. I don't. So the bike with the filter and the new exhausts, it performs about +5 horsepower, and we have tested it, and I went to a garage and we measured everything, and you know that you can play a little bit with mixture, with gas and air mixture from here, but don't do it alone. Don't try it alone. It's better to go to a dynamometer and then calculate what you have to do from here. My bike, it does not has the O2 sensor here, so this causes sometimes problems with the TPS. The TPS, of course, is changed according to Yamaha regulations. And that was it. What else? Nothing. That's my bike. A better look. Maybe the next thing I will change, I was looking about it, are those flashers here. I don't know. Okay. So, that was it. That was my first attempt to make an English spoken video and present to you my Yamaha. I hope you liked the video. I will try to make some others also in English. As you know, I'm living in Crete, so I will try to show you some parts of the island when all this quarantine and lockdown will end. And there are a lot of things I can show you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and whatever you like. And of course, I will be very glad to read your comments and answer to your comments. Many greetings to my friends in Italy, Sweden and Spain. All will be well, and again we will be able to go out, to ride, to chat and to exchange traveling stories. So be safe, stay inside, stay home. And I was KRIKRIder, and you were watching KRIKRIder motovlog. See you. Bye.